During a planning process, we can all relate to data that ends up being different in a cell or multiple cells in our spreadsheet. We have no idea who changed it or when it was changed, but we know that it is not the value we originally input. The pain of having to dig through versions of spreadsheets to try to answer the who and when of that data change is probably what prompts the question I am often asked. Does this system track changes? The answer is yes. It is simple and contributors have access to do it. Highlight the cell in question, and from the toolbar, click Drill, and then click Save. All of the detail for that cell will appear in the list. We can see the date and time the data was changed, who changed it, how it was changed, and the value it was changed to. In this example, there was an initial data load, then a copy from a previous version to see the current version, then 5 different contributor saves. Thank you for watching this video on Drill Saves.